guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Amazon Echo Show 5, which is 5.5 inch screen. So with that, let's get started. Device itself, and some manual or power adapter, 15 watts. As you can see, this is the power port, and you can also connect your, I believe, the micro USB cable in there as well, just for transferring your data like pictures or videos. So here's the device itself, and of course this is the speaker part of it, and the screen itself, 5.5 inch. Here's the camera, the mute button, have your voice is heard, or you can always turn this on. There's a dual mic for left and right, and of course the volume toggle for higher, lower, or higher volume. And then this button right here allows you to, for privacy, if you want to block your camera. As you can see, that white cover, the shutter, that allows you to cover the camera. So now let's go ahead and test this device out. Let me go ahead and plug this in. Okay, I plugged it in, and I think here's the power button, I believe, as well. Yep, it's turning on. So this allows you to surveillance your home using the internal built-in camera. So we're going to enable that. Okay, some new offers for Amazon Music, so we're going to skip that for now. Okay, we're going to skip again. And looks like it's now turning on.
This device is ready.
Anyways, so let me know what you guys think of this device with the comments down below. Hope you guys like this video. Until then, see you on the next one.